Assalamualaikum. Today we will present about our system which is Kerepek Ubi Meqecik ordering system. So first, before we start our presentation, I will introduce first our group members. So first is Muhammad Aika bin Azmi. Second is me, Muhammad Adam Anaki bin Syahimi. The third one is Muhammad Syahmi Haris Muhammad Syafiq Ashraf bin Abdul Malik. Dan the last one is Ahmad Syafiq Arif bin Muhammad Sabri. So then we will continue about the introduction.
Okay, now for introduction. Kerepek with Pedas Meqecik ordering system is developed to improve the ordering and distribution process for customers, vendors and business staff. The system replaced the current manual ordering method through WhatsApp and paper record with a digital platform in order to reduce issues such as missing orders, human errors and inefficient stock management. The system enables customers and vendors to register, log in, place order, make payment and track their order status. Vendors are able to purchase product at wholesale prices with a minimum order of 5 kg, while administrator can manage product, monitor stock availability, approve orders, arrange deliveries, and generate sales and vendor performance report through a centralized
For this slide, we have the problem statements. First, the business relies heavily on WhatsApp and paper to manage the order, making the process slow, disorganized, and also prone to miss or duplicate orders. Next, the lack of a centralized system causes miscommunication between the staff and customer, this leading to incorrect orders and delivery errors. Lastly, the absence of a proper inventory tracking system. This makes it difficult to monitor stock levels, also often resulting in overstocking or a shortage that disrupt production.
So we continue to the admin dashboard so that we can see the total user, total product and the total order. So we can see the admin and the user data. So then we proceed with the view user. We can see the admin and we can see the detail about admin. We can see the user data. We can see the detail about user data. So then we proceed with the update user. So we can update the admin detail like this. Then we can update the user data like this. We can change the phone number from 7 to 1. Then we'll proceed with the search user. We can search, let's say we search for Tina. Then we can see the Tina's detail. Then we will proceed with the add product. Let's say we add Kerepek gula. Then we set it as bulk. Okay, then we set the vendor price as 10 ringgit. Okay, oops. So then we will save the product. So this is the Kerepek gula. So we can edit the Kerepek gula like to the not available, from available to not available. So then we will update the product. Then we can see the update product. So ni we can see the product available and product not available. So this will change the Kerepek gula price from 10 ringgit to 50 ringgit. So then we update the product. So the price is changed. So then we'll proceed with the user report. We can see the total user, admin, total category, total customer and total vendor. So this is all the user detail. So we can use filter to see the admin. We can use the filter for customer and see all the customer. Then same for the admin. Okay, then we will proceed with the product report, which is we can see the total product, available product, not available product, 1 bulk and 4 pack product. So that's all for product report. We proceed with the order report. We can see the 10 order for this month, which is July. For processing order, complete order, cancel order, revenue for July, revenue for 2026, then revenue for today. So then we can see the amount revenue, percentage and the bar for each month. Then we can see the January to July. Then we can see the order detail that have been made by customer and the vendor. Okay, that's all for the admin part.
Now we proceed with the manage order section for the admin. As you can see here, this is all the total order that has been made from the customer and vendor in our system. As you can see, this is a total order. When we look all the total order, it's look complex, so that's why we make a filtering section so it can filter our order that has been made from the customer, from vendor, from the status, is processing, completed or cancelled, or by the user, or by the date that the order has been made. So you can see here below the order in cards, this is the vendor's name, and this is the order ID, and this is the date the order has been made, and this is the status of the orders that is currently on processing, and the total price, and you can see the detail here, and the admin also can view the receipt that has been uploaded from a customer. And here the admin can decide whether to cancel the order that has been made from the customer or vendor, or completed. But you can see here the button is locked right now because the admin must completed the delivery first. So we go to the delivery section. So in here, in the delivery section, the rules is for vendor it only set to self pickup only, and for the customer we will use the JNT Express, and the fee will be 8 ringgit. And you can see here it will show the currently processing order that available. So the admin must choose right now, like let's say I choose the order number 14 for the KK Mart vendor, and here the admin can choose the date for the pickups, and here it will confirm the delivery. When the admin confirm the delivery, it will show below the detail of the order that has been made. As you can see here the admin can edit the delivery dates only. If for the customer, the admin can edit the tracking number and the delivery dates. There is the difference between that two. And we go back to the manage order, and you can see here the order is already completed, and it will show the delivery information, the methods, the pickup location, and delivery fee, and deliver on 12/7/2026. That's all.
Okay, now let's proceed. This is our landing page for Kerepek Ubi Pedas Meqecik ordering system. There are simple explanation about the products, and also there are simple review from our clients. Okay, now let's continue to customer login part. Here customer need to fill all the requirement by entering their username, password, and also they need to select their user type, which is now we are going to take a look at customer. After customer click the button login, they will be directed to customer dashboard. Customer can view total orders, pending orders, completed orders, and also they can view their profile button. And also there are several side button here, which is dashboard, logout, my profile buttons, place new order, my orders, track delivery, and also view products. There are also several quick action button here, which is place order, my orders, browse product, and also my profile. First we're going to take a look at my profile button. Here customer can manage their personal information, and also they can edit their personal details. And then we continue to how customer can make an order. First they need to click the button, and then they need to choose their preferred order date. For example, we put today, and we use JNT Express delivery as our delivery service, and then customer need to choose their preferred quantity. And as you can see here, the subtotal will be automatically updated here, and then plus with the delivery fee 8 ringgit, it will be grand total for 33 ringgit. And then customer need to scan the QR code to pay. There are information about the bank account here. There also the order summary, and after customer finish the payment method, they need to upload the payment receipt in order for admin to verify the purchases and to continue to process the order. After customer upload the file and click the button submit, the receipt will be pop up here. And then we continue to my order. As you can see here, this is several orders that have been made. There are processing orders and completed orders. For completed order, this is the example for completed order, and they can view the payment receipt. And then let's continue to track delivery. For track delivery, customer can view whether their order is still processing or already delivered by the courier. And as for the processing, the message will be like this, and for the completed, it will be like this. And then we continue to view products. Here there are two different sections here. We have one product with different size and price, and then customer also can click the detail button in order to see all the detail information about the products. As for the unavailable products, customer can't purchase it since it is not available, and they also can click the detail button. There are also search button here for customer use to search for the products. And that's all for customer part.
Let's move on to the next section. On this interface, we can see the dashboard for the vendor. When they log in, they can see the total order, pending order, completed order, cancel order, my profile, and the quick action. Next, we go to the my profile. This is the personal detail for them. When they enter, they can change the name, change the email, change the phone number, the address, and even the new password. Okay. For the order part, we have the place new order. For this part, this is the part when the user make the order. First, they need to set the date, choose how many quantity. This is the grand total. This is the bank detail for the payment, and upload the receipt. This is the interface when they have made the purchases. They can see the receipt. Next, we go to the my order. On this section, you can see the order history for each order. For each order, you will have some accurate detail. For example, the processing order, completed order, or even the cancel order. On this section also, they can see the view payment receipt. They can also cancel the order. Next, we go to the track delivery. On this section, they can see the delivery, whether it's processing or completed. This is an example for the completed delivery. It will show the delivery method, the delivery fee, and delivered date. And lastly, we have the view product. For the view product, it will show the available and unavailable product for the system. For example, we have the Kerepek Pedas 200 gram, 500 gram, and 5 kg. And for each product, we can see the detail. For example, we can see the category, the size, and the price. For the price, we can see the difference between the vendor and the customer. The vendor will have a bit cheaper price than the customer. And for the 5 kg is the vendor only, not available for the customer. This is for the unavailable product. Thank you.
In conclusion, the proposed Kerepek Ubi Pedas Meqecik ordering system provide a more efficient and organized approach to managing product orders, inventories, and deliveries for the business. By replacing the manual ordering process with a web-based system, it simplifies order replacement, payment processing, stock monitoring, delivery management, and report generation for customer, vendors, and administrator. Overall, the system is expected to improve operational efficiency, reduce human error, enhance inventory management, and provide a better ordering experience while supporting the future growth and digital transformation of the business.